Hi, my name is Niko. In this short beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set your first Facebook ads in 5 minutes or less. Now let's do it. Let's start a timer and let's go. To create your first Facebook ad campaign, you need 6 things. I've listed all the things here. I'm also gonna include this in the description below. Now let me show you how to get those assets, because without them you won't be able to set your ads. The first thing is your Facebook profile. The second thing is the Facebook Business Manager. You need a Facebook page, you need a Facebook Ads Manager, you need a payment method, and you need a Facebook pixel, which is not mandatory, but it is good to have, and you need a website or landing page. To get all these assets, the first thing you need to do, you need to have a Facebook profile. To create your Facebook profile, you need to log into facebook.com, click create a new account, and just follow the steps. It's pretty simple. If you already have a Facebook profile, the next thing that you need to do is to sign up for Meta Business. To create your business manager, you need to go to business.facebook.com. This is how the window looks like as of 2025. What you need to do is just click on login with Facebook or login with Instagram. Once you log in, you're all set. Your Facebook Business Manager will be automatically created. Once you have your Facebook Business Manager ready, the next thing that you need to do is log in and open it. So let me show you how it looks like. This is how your Meta Business Manager should look like. The first thing that you need to do to set your first campaign is go to settings. So as you can see my mouse at the very bottom left, I'm going to click on settings, and here the first thing that you need to do would be to add your Facebook page. So I'm going to click on pages. Let me move it, and where it says add new, I'm just going to click on, you can choose to add an existing Facebook page, or you can create a new Facebook page. Without Facebook page, it is impossible to set Facebook ads, so choose the one that applies to you better. The next thing that is great to do would be to link your payment method. As you can see my mouse right here, very bottom left, it says billing and payments. So I'm going to click it, and you can link your PayPal or your debit or credit card, and this is the card that Facebook will charge. Once you link it, the next thing that you need to do is go to add accounts. So I'm going to click on add accounts, and here if you don't have an ad account, you simply need to create a new one. So I'm going to click on add, and here I'm going to click on create new ad account, and I'm just going to follow the steps. It's going to ask me for a time zone, so it is pretty simple. The next thing that you need to do would be to create a Facebook pixel. This is not mandatory, but it is good to have. So the way this works, I'm going to go and I'm going to click on data sets. I'm going to click on data sets, and here where it says add, I'm going to click on add, and I'm going to create a new pixel. I'm going to give this pixel a name. I'm just going to type my pixel name, and I'm just going to click create, and I'm good to go. In order to run Facebook ads, you also need a landing page or a website, so make sure you have that. But those will be the 6 things that you need to have, so you're ready to set your first campaign. To set your first campaign, what you need to do would be to go to adsmanager.facebook.com. I've already opened it, and I'm going to show you how it works. This is what it looks like. From this menu, make sure you select the ad account you've already created. You can click on this little drop down menu. The next thing that you need to do would be click on create. Here you need to choose your campaign objective. Usually 80% of the time people will use sales or leads. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to click sales. I'm going to click on continue. Here, Advantage Plus shopping campaign or manual sales campaign. Start with a manual sales campaign if this is the first time you do this, because Advantage Plus campaign is for people and business managers that have a lot of data. So I'm going to click on manual sales campaign. I'm going to click on continue. Here you can give your campaign a name. You can do it the way I want to do it. I usually write the product name and the date I'm starting the campaign. From here, I'm just going to leave everything the way it is. Campaign objective, I'm going to leave it on sales. Advantage Plus catalog, I'm going to leave it the way it is. I'm going to click on next. Here, ad set, you can give your ad set the name you want to give it. It doesn't really matter. So from conversion location, I'm going to choose my website. Performance go, I'm going to select maximize number of conversion. Data set, I'm going to select the pixel I created earlier in this tutorial, and conversion event, I'm going to do the conversion I want to track. In my case, this is purchase. So if you want to see this, you need to set your Facebook pixel the right way. Next, cost per go, I'm going to leave empty. Dynamic creative, I'm going to leave empty. Daily budget, make sure you set how much you want to spend per day. So you can do 5, 20, 50. Start date of your ad, if you leave it at the default, it's going to start immediately, but also you can schedule it for, let's say, tomorrow at 10:45. The next thing here, I'm going to leave everything the way it is. When it says audience control, I'm just going to click show more options. What I like doing is switching to original audience. I get much better results with this. So I'm going to click on switch to original audience. I'm going to say use original audience. And here from the original audience, I'm going to select my location, which will be the United States, right? Then I'm going to choose the age, let's say 18 to 65. The gender, I'm going to select men. And if I want to target people interested in something specific, I'm going to type it here. So let's say I'm targeting people interested in fitness. I'm going to type it physical fitness. The next thing, placements, you can choose your placements. You can leave it at the default. However, you can select manual placements and choose the placements that you would like to target from this menu. However, if this is the first time you're doing it, I suggest you do the Advantage Plus placement. The next thing that you can do is create your ad. So here, make sure you select the Facebook page you created. If you have an Instagram, select it here. The next thing, what I usually do is select single image or video, multi-advertiser ads. I turn this off, and here I'm gonna select the image ad. So image ad is gonna ask me for the source URL where, and for the source URL, I'm gonna add my website. Text here, you can add your ad copy here. Your headline goes here, and your description selection goes here, it's going to ask me to add a media. And let's say this is the creative that I want to use. I'm going to select it. Here, enable flexible media or deliver selection across. I would like to turn this off. Image generation, I usually click skip and continue. Enhancements, I try to turn off everything, right? I try to turn off everything. So I'm going to click on done. And here I'll be able to see how my ad looks like on the right. So make sure you use like long copy here. Make sure you use a good headline for the purpose of this tutorial. Because I want to make it short, I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Make sure you add your website where the traffic goes. If you want people to call you, leave your phone number. If you don't want to do this, leave this at none. And you need to click on publish and your campaign is live.